Unlocking the past. Expressing dislikes with hate in past perfect. Hello, English learners around the globe. Welcome back to our exciting journey of exploring the beautiful English language. Today, we're going to delve deeper into expressing dislikes, particularly using the word hate in the past perfect tense. This is going to be an enriching session, especially for those who want to enhance their conversational skills and make their English sound more fluent and natural. Before we dive into how to use hate in the past perfect tense, let's quickly revisit the past perfect tense itself. The past perfect tense is used to talk about actions that were completed before another action or time in the past. It's formed with the auxiliary verb had and the past participle of the main verb. Here's a quick example. I had finished my homework before my parents got home. Notice how had finished signifies an action completed before another past event, parents getting home. Now, let's move on to our main topic, hate. As many of you might already know, hate is a strong word used to express a strong feeling of dislike towards something or someone. When used in a sentence, it often conveys a powerful emotion. Remember, it's a strong word, so use it cautiously. Now, to use hate in the past perfect tense, we follow the same rules. Had plus past participle. But wait, hate is both the base and past participle form of the verb. So, how would it look in the past perfect tense? The answer is had hated. Here's an example. Before I discovered jazz music, I had hated all types of music. This means that the person developed a dislike for all types of music before they discovered jazz music. Making negative statements with hate in the past perfect tense is straightforward. Just add not after had. So, it becomes had not hated, or in its contracted form, hadn't hated. For example, she hadn't hated the movie as much as she thought she would. This implies that before she watched the movie, she thought she would dislike it a lot, but she didn't hate it as much as expected after seeing it. And there we have it, folks. Now you know how to express your dislikes using hate in the past perfect tense. Remember, practice is key to mastering any language. So, try to construct your own sentences using what you've learned today. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun and informative English learning videos. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.